Yeah, see? Cabbage fried dumpling, Jamaican cooking. Remember that, please watch the video to the end, like and share. Welcome back to the cooking recipe, some cabbage fried dumpling. So I have all spice here. You can see what going here. I have some cabbage cut up and thing, salt, fish and butter. I will add my green season, vegetable peas and thing. Okay. I will add some Maggi season. Taste and flavor. That is rosemary. Rosemary. Alright. Cabbage fried dumpling, Jamaican cooking. Remember that, please watch. That one steam. Remember cabbage fried dumpling. On the fire and low heat. Right down. Keep going steam, right? Cabbage fried dumpling. Yes, the cabbage is steam, yeah. But cabbage fried dumplings, so I turn it up now, add the water, just normal steam. But Jamaican cooking, lumberjack. Please watch the video to the end, like and share. Simple recipe. Cabbage fried dumpling. Yummy recipe, you know. In a bowl, we have flour. Cornmeal. Vanilla. Butter. Baking powder. Liquid sugar. That's really enough. Alright. I'm starting by thing combined together, mix it around like this. Yeah, the thing combined together. Remember Jamaican cooking, remember that from cabbage fried dumpling. So this is the dough. Add some water to it. Start to knead. Let everything combine together. Remember Jamaican cooking, lumberjack. Please watch the video to the end, like and share. See dough you don't knead up and thing. Yeah. You see it? Cabbage ready. Like you go on cool. Cabbage fried dumpling. Don't add no water to it, just bring natural, simple water, right? So make it go on cool. So you know say cabbage, steam cabbage ready and thing. It go on cool here. So I'm gonna turn off the fire. Alright guys, I use the bleach, wipe off the table. So I'm gonna rub it off, the bleach here. To cut away any germs and thing. Alright, like these, and I'll get some fresh water. Add some fresh water to it. Wipe it off. I had the bleach before. I'll dry it off like this. Alright, so I clean the surface. Keep going dry. Yeah, guys, I have a dry new towel, so I'm gonna dry it off. Guys, I'm not really on the board to roll it on, so you have to roll it on. Alright, guys, let that one dry for 20 minutes. Guys, the worm soon by a stand, right? Yeah. Don't want them burn, right? Just want them crystal brown. Really yummy cabbage fried dumpling. Yeah, please remember, someone them big here. Alright, somebody are hungry. But I tell you no lie. Cabbage fried dumpling, nice. It's some normal, simple syrup. Remember Jamaican cooking, lumberjack. Please watch the video to the end, like and share. Yummy. Look what I want, peeps. Yummy. Yummy cabbage fried dumpling. You have to eat peas. Delicious. Yummy. Big piece of starfish, you see? Delicious. Nice.